Yo, what's up, YouTube? I just want to thank y'all, for the love y'all been showing me. Back at it again, with another one. I'm gonna be cleaning my rims that I have for a little bit. I bought a bike a while ago, and it's gonna be one of my project bikes. But since it's been bad outside, since it's been cold outside, I couldn't really do nothing because my garage does not have heat or electric. So, and it's cold outside, so I can't really paint or anything like that. But I took the wheels off, and I'm about to take the rust off of them because they're bad. So I'm just gonna restore them and hook it up. What I do best, hook it up, make it look nice. You know what I mean? Make it shine again, make it pop out again. So I'm gonna show you how I clean, you know, my wheels and make my white walls white again. So stay tuned. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. So this is what I'm working on right now with. You can see the rust. I'm gonna bring it back alive. What I'm gonna use, is these wire brushes. You can find them at Home Depot or Walmart. And for my white walls, some Ajax. They work good. What I'm using right now, they're gonna work good. And y'all gotta see the magic I'm about to do to these wheels. I'm about to bring them back alive, about to bring the shine back out on them. What I do is take out all the air in this. It's gonna be a pain in the butt, but this shit gotta come off. Time to get down. Time for work. When you see up close, right? Look up close. You see how I'm getting all the rust off? Yeah. With just water. It's just all I'm using is just water. You see it? I hit this one first, and then I go in and go into the one from the other side, but from the back. See that side, and see the other side. Let me know what y'all think. It's coming along. I already took some off, but I'm gonna take the rest out. So I'm done cleaning all the rust off my wheels, of the rims. They look nice. Who want to see rims like this go to waste? Not me. Not me. So I'll do what I gotta do. Feel me? So this is where I'm at right now. You see, it's still a little bit right there, but look at the spokes. So next up is gonna be the tires. I'm gonna show you how to take that out. I'm show you how I clean them. Use a little some Ajax, some water, and the wire brushes. This should be good as new. Well, at least good as new, but it should be, better than before. Alright, so what I do, I wet the outside first. So I'm getting all the stuff. I'm gonna clean one side. I'm gonna show you how the other side is gonna come on. Let me know what y'all think. You see that? Compared to that, to, you know, that. What y'all think about it? But I'm gonna keep doing this. You're gonna see the end. How it's gonna come out. See that? That's after. And that's the before. Alright guys, I'm finished with them. And this is how it looks. What y'all think? Let me know. In the comments below. Let me know how they came out. I think they came out pretty darn good. You know, it took me probably about an hour, I'm gonna say, you know, cleaning them. Just cleaning one. Just cleaning one. Because with the rims, I did spoke by spoke. You know, clean spoke by spoke. And that took, you know, that took a little bit, probably like half an hour, you know. And, you know, the tires took me probably like 10 minutes. So now I gotta put it together. You know, I'm happy with the results. You know, I don't want to see them go to waste. I restore my, you know, things that I get. You know, the wheels I clean is gonna be for a project bike that I still got in the garage, that I still gotta paint. You know, coming up spring, you're gonna have more videos of me, you know, hooking up bikes. You know, matter of fact, hooking up lowrider bikes. It's gonna be crazy. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. And yeah, man, this is stuff that I like doing, man. This is all the stuff I love doing. I'm gonna keep doing it. You know, I know some of y'all wheels, you know, rims, tires, all that looked crazy. So, you know, hopefully I can help out with that. You know, taking the rust out, you know, putting the, you know, white walls back to, you know, back to life. So like, share, and subscribe. You know, I would really appreciate that. And I thank all of y'all. I really do thank all of y'all. You know, God bless. You know, take care. Keep praying. Always keep praying. So that's how they're looking. They're looking nice, man. They're looking real clean. Put it up close. How the rust was. There's no, you know, no more rust. White walls, back white again. Till next time, my YouTubers. Till next time, my subscribers. I want to thank y'all a lot, man. For real. Stay up and God bless to the next.